Diz, it is Sarah. I am trying to find a moving company, but I'm seeing all these terrible ratings online. It is so stressful.
Oh no, I remember you mentioning that. Have you thought about those organized movers I told you about?
I did, but I wasn't sure. I mean, how do I know they're any good? I have read horror stories about movers breaking things or showing up late.
I get that, but these guys are different. They handle all the packing for you, so you won't have to lift a finger.
That is not bad at all. But what if they do not show up on time? I have heard so many stories about movers being late and ruining the whole day.
I totally understand your concern, but they have a solid reputation for being careful and efficient. Plus, they have this $99 delivery special right now. It is for moves under 3 miles and only 2 items, but it is a great deal. No catch. It is first floor to first floor, so it is super easy. Just call or text them at 619-713-992-3. They are known for being punctual.
Wow, that sounds perfect. I could really use the help. I am already overwhelmed with packing and managing the kids. Thanks, Diz. I am calling them right now. I need to get this moving thing sorted out before I lose my mind.
Exactly. They will take the stress out of your moving experience. You will be settled in no time.